Ever since the change in power in Bangladesh, we have witnessed quite a few infiltration bids and attempts across the India-Bangladesh border in West Bengal. Currently, we are at a border outpost in West Bengal's North 24 Parganas district, and we are standing right next to the international border. What you see behind me is the riverine border, and the IB goes through this river Sonai, passing through the North 24 Parganas district of West Bengal. On the other side is Bangladesh beyond the zero line. One cannot see the zero line with the naked eye because it passes through the river, and it becomes extremely challenging for the BSF because there is no fence here and there is no way they can erect a fence here. But with the help of small boats and man-to-man patrolling, the BSF Jawans ensure that no people can cross the river or enter the Indian territory. They have made elaborate arrangements in the wake of disturbance in Bangladesh so that they can keep all infiltration bids at bay and not allow any persons cross over into India. However, the recent statistics and figures show a sharp rise in the attempts of people trying to cross over into India, and also the number of people apprehended by BSF show that there is an increase among Hindu members who are living in Bangladesh trying to cross over into India. But despite all of these attempts, the BSF has made elaborate arrangements and also put in place a lot of technology to ensure that there is no infiltration. They are not just using cameras, but they are also using thermal imaging, night vision binoculars, especially in this weather where there can be a lot of fog around the international boundary, so as to keep all sorts of infiltration bids at bay and not allow anyone to cross over into India who does not have any legal valid documents and passport. And right now we can see how the people on the other side are Bangladeshi nationals who have come close, but you can see they are currently going away. But this is the riverine border where the force faces a lot of challenges because there is no fence and there is a lot of these unfenced border in West Bengal where they have to man patrol the area to ensure that there is no untoward incident and also no infiltration attempts.
सीमा सुरक्षा की चुनौतियां बड़ी हैं, हम अपनी जिम्मेदारी को समझते हैं और जो सीमा क्षेत्र में आप आज खड़े हैं इसके अपने सेट ऑफ चैलेंजेस और कंस्ट्रेंट हैं। इन सभी चुनौतियों का, सभी कंस्ट्रेंट का हम अपने सारे संसाधनों के साथ, हमारे सारे तैनात जो यूनिटें हैं वो अपनी पूरी मेहनत से, पूरी जज्बे के साथ इनका मुकाबला कर रही है, पूरा दक्षता कर रही है और हमारी कामयाबी पीछे की भी और वर्तमान की भी हमारे कार्य को दर्शाती है, अच्छे परिणामों को दर्शाती है। हम अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं और हमारी कामयाबियां इसकी साक्षी हैं।
It's quite late in the night, and in these winter months it gets really difficult for the BSF Jawans posted on the Indo-Bangladesh border. Currently we are in North 24 Parganas district of West Bengal, and we are currently right next to the border fence here in North 24 Parganas district. What you see behind me is absolutely pitch dark, and in these winter months it gets extremely chilly and the entire area gets engulfed by a thick smoke. And in this smoke, the BSF Jawans have to continue patrolling in this area where visibility drops down to zero. But despite all of these challenges, we can see that there is a Jawan who is posted along the Indo-Bangladesh border and is patrolling while it gets really difficult for us to even view what lies behind this fence. The BSF Jawans posted here are extremely alert, keeping a close watch on any infiltration attempts and also trying to keep a check on any smuggler so that they cannot step into the Indian territory. BSF, the force that stands guard on the India-Bangladesh border to save the country and also ensure that there are no infiltration bids and no infiltrators can enter the country, have to work in these harsh weather conditions. We are currently at North 24 Parganas districts, and currently we are on the riverine border, and this is the Sonai River, and we are at this point in time on a fast boat that belongs to BSF, and they are patrolling all through the night because they want to ensure that no infiltrators can swim through this shallow river Sonai and enter the territory of West Bengal, eventually entering into India. The disturbance that has caused after the government change in Bangladesh, we've seen how the infiltration bids have increased, and the BSF, which remains deployed on the Indo-Bangla border here, is patrolling all through the night in winter months, and it is extremely challenging for them because the visibility has dropped down in these winter months. There is a lot of fog, so it is very difficult for the BSF Jawans who are patrolling through the boats here, but they are leaving no stone unturned to ensure that there is no untoward incident and no infiltrators can enter. Besides those Jawans who are patrolling through these fast boats, on this side, which is the Indian border, there are border outposts who are keeping a close watch on any activity that takes place on this river, and to ensure that on the either side, which is the Bangladesh border, no one can cross over into the Indian territory. But amidst these challenges and harsh weather conditions, BSF stands guard to protect the country and ensure no untoward incident and ensure that there are no infiltration bids. In North 24 Parganas from the Indo-Bangladesh border, this is Pooja Mehta for Times Now with video journalist Kaushik De.